Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the turbulent skies of Pakistan International Airlines, or PIA, and the corporate governance challenges it's been facing. Now, PIA is not just any airline, it's got a rich history and was once the pride of Pakistan. But in recent years, the airline's been struggling to stay afloat. So, what's been going wrong? First off, let's talk about the lack of strategic direction. PIA has seen rapid changes in its top management, with multiple CEOs in just a few years. This constant change disrupts long-term planning and leads to inconsistent policies. Imagine trying to steer a ship when the captain changes every few months. Next, there's the issue of political interference. Many key positions within the airline are filled based on political connections rather than merit. This not only affects the efficiency of the operations but also dampens employee morale. When decisions are driven by politics instead of professionalism, it's no surprise that the company struggles. Another major challenge is financial mismanagement. PIA has been grappling with mounting debts and losses. Unchecked expenditures, questionable procurement processes, and lack of financial oversight have all contributed to this crisis. Moreover, there's the problem of overstaffing. PIA has a significantly higher employee-to-aircraft ratio compared to industry standards. This bloated workforce leads to inefficiencies and increased operational costs. Lastly, let's not forget the safety concerns. PIA's safety record has been under scrutiny, affecting its reputation globally. Without stringent governance and accountability, maintaining high safety standards becomes a daunting task. So what's the way forward? For PIA to soar again, it needs a robust corporate governance framework. This means appointing qualified professionals, reducing political meddling, ensuring financial transparency, and streamlining operations. It's a challenging journey, but with the right reforms, PIA can reclaim its former glory. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.